Welcome to your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Losing weight isn't just about numbers, it's about feeling fantastic. First up, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water boosts metabolism, helps you eat less, and aids in burning fat. Let's talk about your plate. Focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins while reducing processed foods and sugars. Consistency in exercise can't be overlooked. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity daily. Find what you enjoy and stick with it. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Getting enough rest is crucial for weight loss, helping regulate hunger hormones and recover. Mindfulness matters. Eating slowly and without distractions allows you to enjoy your food and recognize when you're full. Remember, this is a journey. Celebrate your victories, learn from setbacks, and keep moving forward. You've got this.